In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your Wix website to Wix Studio. To get started, head over to the Wix Studio webpage at wix.com/studio. Once you're there, look for the login button and sign in using your existing Wix account credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll need to create a new Wix Studio project. This step essentially sets up a fresh canvas where you'll recreate your website. Now that you're inside Wix Studio, it's time to analyze your existing Wix website. Open your current Wix editor site in another browser tab. This will allow you to easily reference your old site as you move through the process. While doing this, take careful note of your site's page structure, navigation, and key visual elements. Pay close attention to important content like text, headings, and any blocks that make up your site. Don't forget about the images, videos, and other media files you might have used. Remember as well to document any forms, buttons, or interactive components, as well as your color scheme, fonts, and branding elements. Next, it's crucial to secure all media files for your new site. Download all images, videos, and any downloadable files from your old Wix site, ensuring they're saved in well-organized folders. This will save you time when you begin uploading them into the Wix Studio environment. With your media prepped and your old site's structure documented, it's time to start crafting your new site in Wix Studio. Begin by creating new pages that match the structure of your original site. Use Wix Studio's versatile tools, such as sections, strips, and containers, to artfully recreate your site's layout. As you build, remember to upload those crucial images and media files into the respective pages. Moving on, you'll need to add functional elements to your Wix Studio project. This includes incorporating any forms, buttons, galleries, or sliders that were part of your original site. Rebuild your menus and navigation to maintain consistency. Take advantage of Wix Studio's tools to configure interactions, enable animations, and ensure your site is optimized for mobile devices. Don't overlook setting up SEO for your new site. Navigate to the SEO settings for each page and customize them to boost discoverability. For those with a custom domain, you can easily connect it to your Wix Studio site by navigating to Settings, then Domains. With everything starting to come together, you'll want to preview your site to ensure everything is looking and working just as you intended. During this stage, check that all links, forms, and interactive elements function properly. Once satisfied, you're ready for the final step. Select Publish, and your newly revamped Wix Studio site will be live to the world. Congratulations!